Tastytrade vs Thinkorswim by Charles Schwab. Let's get started. So Tastytrade is a trading platform built for active options and futures traders. It's backed by IG Group and offers a fast visual interface focused on strategies and risk management. Thinkorswim, on the other hand, is TD Ameritrade's flagship platform. Now under Charles Schwab, it's a powerhouse with technical analysis, charting, and multi-asset trading with rich research tools and flexibility. Now let's talk about its pros for Thirsty Trade. So it offers $0 stock and ETF trades and $1 per options on contract, and there's no close fees. It's also built by traders for traders, clean and intuitive interface. They also have an excellent support and free educational content via the Tasty Live, and they have capped fees on options and futures traders. They also have a very fast execution with minimal clutter. The only downside is they have a weak charting and technical indicators, and they have a limited product range, which means there's no bonds or mutual funds. Thinkorswim, on the other hand, is offering a lot of industry-based best charting and technical tools. They also have deep asset coverage for stocks, ETFs, options, futures, and forex. It's also free to use with TD Ameritrade's or Schwab's accounts. They also have paper trading and full customization, which are great for scalping, swing trading, and long-term investing. The only downside is it has a steeper learning curve for beginners, a heavier and slower tasty trade for quick trades, and the interface can be overwhelming with too many tools. So in conclusion, Tasty Trade wins for fast, clean options focused execution, while Thinkorswim wins for deep analysis, asset flexibility, and advanced charting. So for best choice, well, choose Tasty Trade if you want the speed, simplicity, and cost effectiveness, and choose Thinkorswim if you want full control, deep analytics, and asset variety.